Hello, and welcome to this week's mindful meditation. So, this week we are focusing on love and gratitude, which are two of the most imperative things that I think we all need in order to truly live our happiest and healthiest lives. So, I want to start out by sharing this statistic with you, and I'm sure you may have heard it before. The first time I heard it was when I was watching Mel Robbins' TED Talk, and it really stuck with me. Scientists have done numerous studies to show the probability of you even existing and being born. And the chances of you being here right now, breathing and living, is 1 in 400 trillion. 1 in 400 trillion. And scientists have done studies with, the odds of our parents meeting, or even our ancestors surviving war, and even research all the way back to the dinosaurs. So just take a moment and really think about that. Think about all that has happened over the course of history. And it is no mistake that you were born and you are here right now. And so just that shift in thought really makes you instantly feel gratitude for life and feel love for everyone and for the universe. And so just really allow yourself to accept the gratitude and love that the universe is giving you. So let's soak in that instant gratitude and feel the love and bring that into our meditation today. So, shall we begin? For this meditation, find a comfortable position lying on the floor. Now gently close your eyes and bring your left hand and gently place it on your heart, and your right hand, gently place it on your belly. Begin breathing deeply. As you inhale in, feel the flow of oxygen into your lungs, giving you life. Thank you. Feel the oxygen exhale from your lungs and say thank you. Continue these deep inhales and exhales of gratitude for 4 more rounds. Let's do the last round together. Deep inhale in, saying thank you. And exhale out of your lungs. Thank you. Now let's bring love and gratitude for our entire body. Bring awareness to your entire body and feel it connect to the earth. Bring awareness all the way from your wiggling toes to your soft smile. Now let's deepen your connection and love and gratitude to your body as you repeat these mantras of love in your mind. I love you for all you do in a day and ask nothing in return. I love you and all your perfection. I love you because you do not judge, you just be. I love you because you allow me to fulfill my passion and purpose on this earth. I love you because you nurture my mind, and my mind nurtures you. I love you because you are a miracle that bears my soul and is meant to be mine. I love you because you are kind to me. I love you because you persevere and protect me. Now reflect on this love and gratitude for the next few moments of silence. Silently think of all the things in this world that you are grateful for. Now gently begin to bring awareness to your physical sensations. Wiggle your toes, your fingers, shake your head from side to side. Stretch your body from your toes to your fingertips above your head. And remaining with your eyes closed, take a deep breath in together, one last big inhale, and exhale it out. And may you draw this love and gratitude with you today and for eternity. And may the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide you on your way. Namaste.